Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a, project share. It is a swap, a group swap hosted by ScrapDaWorld for Valentine's Day embellishment boxes. So I am in the swap and this is the 4 boxes I'm sending out. 3 people in my group, or 3 other people other than me, and then I'm also sending one to Tamika. So I'm going to show you guys what are inside of these boxes. So I'm going to put these guys aside. They're still kind of drying with the glitter. I don't know if you guys could tell, but that's what I did. And then I'm also including a couple of other goodies as well, which I will also be showing you guys. So here is what each person is going to get. And let me actually show you guys this first. So this is an acetate envelope I have created. It is a shaker, and it shakes better when there's nothing inside of the envelope. But I have included these little sequins as well for the person in this little cute little glass jar. It's the same sequins I used here. You have this little tag. It's like a keychain tag. Let me show you one that I haven't packed up yet. Like this. You guys have seen me make these before. I have a tutorial on them, but they're just so cute and I thought I would make one for the swap as well. And then the last thing included in the envelope is these cute little coffee cup embellishments. So I had some left over because I made a whole bunch the last time I made a video. So I was able to give everybody 2 of these. So those are all just going to go in here. Just like this. This originally, the sequins were supposed to go in the box, but they don't fit in that little container. So I had to, you know, not put them in the embellishment box, but I still wanted to send some goodies as well. So this is what I am sending over. It's a little hard for it to stay in there, but I'm going to pack it up in some cellophane as well. That way it all stays in there. Now here is the box. So for this I used some La La Love embellishments, which is the big heart that says Happy Valentine's Day, and this cute little doggy. I put some eyelash trim behind him, and then this is a heart from Dollar Tree. What I did to the outside of the box is I Mod Podged some pink glitter onto it, and I did about 3 to 4 coats. It was quite a lot. I also did some stitching on the background here, which you guys can't tell, but I did like a leaf stitching. I was trying out a new stitch. Maybe up close you guys could see. It's supposed to look like a little leaf. I probably should have done a different color, but I like pink and Valentine's Day. So anyway, here now you could tell the glitter a little bit better. Some parts are not as opaque, but I also used a whole entire thing of glitter to do 4 boxes. So, and I only did the outside, so I used a lot of glitter, guys. Then I added this pom-pom trim to the outside, and it's super cute, guys. So now let's get into the inside. Oh, and these what are they called? Thickers are from Tuesday Morning. I found them at Tuesday Morning and I love them. It's like a red foiled. But anyway, when you open this box up, this is what you're going to see. So here is the top part. I layered it with another piece of paper here, and I had printed and cut this out, and it says made by KarolinasKrafts, ScrapDaWorld, Essence of Valentine Embellishment Box, swap from January 30th, 2020. Then I have YouTube and Instagram, KarolinasKrafts. And then I added another little heart from Dollar Tree. And then here are the goodies I'm including. So this one has like some open hearts. You have these hearts. These are some lips, and the inside comes out as well. And just like a whole bunch of these in different colors and stuff like that. This is a pack that I got from Target. It's by Spritz, and they're just like foam goodies. So that's that. This box has little jemmies, all in different sizes and things like that, and different colors. You got circle jemmies and heart jemmies, and different sizes and colors and all that jazz. So here's an up close of those jemmies. This is a mixture between jemmies from Michaels, which are the, jemmies from Hobby Lobby, which are the circle ones, and jemmies from Michaels, which are the beautiful heart ones. And I have them in red, pink, purple, and the silver. So I just included a variety into everybody's box, so they have a good amount of jemmies. Okay, the next box has a variety of pom-poms for Valentine's Day. So I have some of these fun ones that have like some sparkle and stuff on them. They're really fun. And then some plain ones and just a mixture of colors that I think goes really good with the box. I tried to make it all around this color scheme because that's what I had. Then the next box here has a whole bunch of these heart eyelets. I actually have an excessive amount of these because I ordered pink ones, but they're supposed to be light pink, and so I ordered it on AliExpress, and then I fought the charge because I'm like, this is not what I ordered. I ordered, light pink. So they refunded me and told me to keep it. But yeah, and I don't really like this color, but it goes good with the colors of this box. It's like a magenta-y color. So here's what that looks like up close. I'm hoping people have like eyelets and stuff. If they don't, I guess they could just throw these out. But then I also included these teeny little brads. These I ordered from Ali a while ago, and they came in like a pack of a whole bunch of colors. So these cute little teeny brads, and I just picked out the colors that match with the box. Okay, the next box here has some more foam sticker things. This is also a variety of stickers. These ones are from Walmart, and I can't remember where these guys are from. But I have these as well, and then just a mixture of different kinds of foam stickers. Okay, the next one just has some eyelash trim. So I stuffed some red and gold eyelash trim into here and then sucked out all the air, so it looks super tiny, but I gave a pretty decent amount of eyelash trim in here. It just doesn't look like a lot because I literally stuffed it in there and sucked the air out. The next box here has a whole bunch of like tassel things and charms and buttons and a whole bunch of goodies. So let me take them all out and show you guys. Okay, so that box has a button. You have these two little charms, a white one and a pink one with some stars in it. You have this tassel. You have tassel tops, one in silver and one in gold. And then these beads that say XO, and there's also little heart ones. So that's another box. The next box has some more of those foam stickers. There was just a huge variety in that spritz thing that I got from Target. So let me show you these. These ones all say XO in different colors. So you have this rose gold, this coral, this red glitter. Then we have a white one, this purpley one, a white glitter, and then like this magenta glitter as well. So that's another box. Just a whole bunch of like those XOs, but the O is like a heart. Very cute though. One of the requirements for the box was to include some handmade embellishments. So I made these cute little bows. So here are the bows that I made. I made 6 of them in different patterns, and I stitched on them. If you guys could see, this took a lot of time, guys, a lot of patience, but I did it, and by the second time I tried it actually turned out really good, which was this one, and I did these 2. These ones I did before, like the first time, and then these 3 were the second time, but I think I'm getting pretty good at stitching on these super tiny itty bitty bows, but I think they're going to come in super handy for embellishments and things like that, and that's what I included for my handmade embellishment goodie for the box. Okay, so the next box has a whole bunch of random stuff. I told you guys I couldn't include those other sequins, so I did include some other ones, and part of a straw, and then other little pearl jemmies as well. So let me show you guys. So here are the 2 sequins I included. This one has like hearts, open hearts, closed hearts, smaller hearts, bigger hearts. I believe this was from Dollar Tree. This one's from AliExpress. They're little Cupid sequins. It's like a Cupid holding a bow and arrow. Really cute. I'm including this little straw. They can make their own little embellishment if they want, so I cut it up. And then I have these little pearl jemmies. So we have like a magenta-y color, a red, and then like a light pink. And then the last box has these cut up stickers from Hobby Lobby. I think they're so cute. So I have 3 of these here, and they're these cute little heart shakers, and they have little faces on them. And I just have 3 different colors included in here, and I love them so much. When Hobby Lobby had these on sale, end of season, I literally bought like 4 packs of them. So I thought I would give one away and cut it up into these embellishment boxes. So that is it, guys, for what I am including for the swap. I hope everybody likes their embellishments. I can't wait to get 3 back as well. It's going to be so fun. I wanted to host my own, but then Tamika told me she was hosting one, so I was like, okay, I'll just join yours. But next year, I definitely want to host my own. I think it would be super fun, so we'll see. Maybe I'll just do like a different season. Maybe I'll do like a summer one or something. I really want to host a swap. I've never done one before, but I want to try it and, you know, see how it goes. And yeah, so the one person or every person in my group is going to be getting this embellishment box and these goodies. So it has the heart, the coffee cups, and the other little sequins as well. So thank you guys so much for watching my little project share. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what is your favorite item. I had so much fun making this, so thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!